Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I still fall for you every day. Your love is my greatest adventure. I choose you, always. You are the best part of me. Love is not perfect, but you're perfect for me. You're the spark in my heart. In your arms, I've found my safe place. Every moment with you is a treasure. Love grows where trust is planted. You are the reason I believe in love. With you, life feels magical. You are the melody in my heart. I'd choose you in every lifetime. You're the reason behind my smile. My heart is yours forever and always. Your voice is my favorite sound. I loved you then, I love you now. Your love is my anchor. You complete me in every way. I see my future in your eyes. Love is the only language I need with you. Forever isn't long enough with you. You're the calm in my chaos. Love is when you feel at home in someone's heart. You make my heart smile. One soul, two hearts. I am yours. Don't give me back. You're the dream I never want to wake from. Your love is my happy place. With you, everything feels right. You're my heart's favorite place. Love is the bridge between two hearts. You are my forever person. Where there is love, there is life. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. I found my missing piece in you. Hold my hand, hold my heart. Love is the poetry of the soul. You are my today and all of my tomorrows.